Can a friendship survive betrayal when cameras are rolling? Or will some relationships shatter under the harsh spotlight of reality TV? The drama on Ladies of London: The New Reign has hit an absolute fever pitch, with Season 4, Episode 3 proving these ladies are spilling wine and shocking secrets faster than ever before. Following a dramatic dinner party that saw one cast member reportedly quit, the stage was set for an explosive continuation. Myka was left gutted after confirming years of rumors. Her frenemy Dara had been talking major trash behind her back, a betrayal Dara shamelessly denied on camera, despite being caught red-handed. Meanwhile, Margo delivered some seriously tough love to Martha, warning her to grow up or risk losing their friendship, leaving Martha in tears but acknowledging the brutal truth. However, the real bombshell dropped during a seemingly innocent winery visit, where Mrs. bravely opened up about the tragic public loss of her brother, hoping to foster unity. Instead, Kimmy dropped a shocking truth bomb of her own, finding Miss A, deep emotional sharing intolerable and disingenuous, setting the stage for an epic showdown next week. It seems no one is safe from the drama, and these ladies are just getting started. Don't miss a single scandalous moment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for all the exclusive tea.
Missed anything? Check our channel for more celebrity news and gossip.